Why sleep doctors are recommending this mouthpiece for snorers. For years I struggled with snoring, tossing and turning, feeling frustrated, and never getting a good night's sleep. No matter what I tried, nothing worked. It wasn't just affecting me, it was ruining my partner's sleep too. Then I found Soothie. It's a super comfortable mouthpiece that stops snoring immediately. No expensive and confusing machines, it's super easy. You literally just pop the Soothie in before bed. No boiling, no molding, no hassle, it comes ready to use. At first I was skeptical if it would work, but the science behind it makes a lot of sense. The mouthpiece gently shifts your jaw forward, keeping the airways open and you snore free. After just one night, me and my wife felt a huge difference. It's crazy what a good night's sleep could do for you. If you're ready for better sleep, don't wait, grab your Soothie now, you'll thank me later.